It's a great day for couples painting with him and Patty from Patricia's Art Emporium. Hello everybody, hope you're all having a good day. Welcome into our home. We're hoping that you learn from our videos what to do and what not to do. So these are learning videos for people like us who decided we wanted to do something together, and John is a little more experienced than I am. He's done watercolor painting before?
Yeah.
For a little while. Me, not so much.
Not so much?
No. So anyway, today John's going to be doing something, so
we have
take
this,
it away, John.
we have this canvas that's painted red on the outside, and then this bright pink in the intermediate area, and the yellow in the center. And we're going to stick with our flower theme for today. And we're going to try some of this new paint we got. It's a Deco Art metallic. It's a sapphire metallic.
Ooh.
Sapphires.
I like sapphires.
Oh. What's that mean? You need some?
No.
Oh. We're going to try to pour some of this out here and not make too much of a mess.
You're living dangerously.
Danger, Will. Oh, look at that, isn't that pretty? Oh, we'll stop it right there. We're going to use that. We're going to use this Art Minds iridescent metallic candy app. God, no, that's not longer. It goes around the whole thing. We're going to try a little of this, and see how this works.
Oh, those two are pretty together.
That's a pretty color. And the third color is going to be a Color Shift Yellow Flash by Folk Art.
So you got two. Oh, you got an iridescent. Oh, two metallics and a what is that one?
This is
Color Shift.
Get in there. It's a Color Shift.
Oh, cool.
Color Shift. And let's see. I think I need a little drop more green right there. Just to pull. We're going to try pulling and swiveling and see if we can bring the ends of these to a point.
Good luck.
Yeah, good luck is right.
Hopefully, today is July 5th, so hopefully everybody had a nice 4th of July. We had a lot of rain. It rained from 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock till about 6 o'clock maybe. But our neighbors had they displayed some fireworks, so we stood out and watched them. It was pretty cool. It was our speed, not having to get in the car and drive somewhere and wait for the fireworks and then have to stay in a line in the car trying to get out of a parking lot, etc., etc. So thank you to our neighbors.
Okay, gonna let that dry a bit and we'll be back.
I think you got a bubble right there. You might want to pop.
Oh
I
man,
think, or maybe it's just a drop of
I
gold.
think it's just a drop.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
we're
Sorry
good.
about that. Okay, we'll be back, guys. He'll be back. Bye.
Okay. Continuing on. To that, we'll add a little of this. Okay, yep. Yellow flash. I think I missed a couple. I have to touch them back up. Okay. It's pretty interesting. I think we missed one. There's two. This one here. And this one here. Okay, pull these up. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we're going back onto this this picture. You can see how they color shift and the metallic paints shine on it. What I want to do is I want to do something with the middle of it today. And I'm going to try this. What I got here is a piece of bubble wrap. I want to scrunch it up into a kind of a ball. About the size of that middle. I got some Prussian blue, metallic blue, ice blue metallic, and some lighter blue here. Let's see how this works. I'm happy with that. I was looking for a center for the flower. Could use a couple on the top. I don't know about Ree. I think instead of messing with that, we'll just try a couple more. Like so. And we'll put them there. There we go. There we go. So that's that. Blue center with bubble wrap. Okay, just kind of want to accentuate these, we'll call them petals a little bit. Maybe splash a little white paint. I was trying to figure the top and the bottom. Trying to find a spot to put my name on it. So I think we're gonna go. I think we'll go with this side here. So we've got gold. We've got this blue, the darker blue underneath. The yellow, the color shift yellow. Some green. Green, I think it's called iridescent candy apple. A little of that around there. So I think we'll just add a little color to it, pull it out, and that'll be it. So I think I'm going to add to it. It's the candy apple. Just going to put a little. Done it well? Most. Okay. And let's see. Got a lot of gold. I might spread a little gold at the end. Spread a little gold. That's what happens when you don't work with your turntable. Which I normally do. Okay, happy. Gonna spread a little gold around, and then I think that'll be it. Put my name on it and be done about the deal. Ooh, where's my name? It'll be right there. Jump. And I think that'll be it. You'll see it again when it dries. You look now so you can see the shine. Okay, Patty. So she's not here again. She's still working on her video. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, bang the bell to be notified of new videos, share with all your friends, family, neighbors, and co-workers. Check out our paintings on eBay at Patricia's Art Emporium. Also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. This is John, him, and Patty doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying thanks again for watching. Please be kind to one another, enjoy each moment of every day, and peace. Goodbye.